Ever sat in a brainstorming session feeling like you're just chasing your tail? You're not alone. Picture yourself trapped in a meeting room, the air thick with frustration as ideas bounce around aimlessly like ping pong balls. Now imagine transforming this chaos into a well-oiled idea machine. Yes, we are talking about turning those maddening brainstorming sessions into effective, efficient, and even enjoyable experiences. Intrigued? Stay tuned, and you'll soon turn these fruitless meetings into powerhouses of creativity. Most of us, when we think brainstorming, we think mind maps. This common tool is like a visual diary of thoughts, where ideas are connected in a network of nodes, each branching out from a central concept. Mind maps are interactive, engaging, and known for igniting the creative spark. They help us visualize our thoughts and see relationships between different ideas. It's akin to how our brain naturally works, linking concepts together, making it a popular approach in brainstorming sessions. However, mind maps do have limitations. They can become overwhelming when dealing with complex topics, and they require a certain level of artistic ability to be effective. Besides, they might not be the best tool when it comes to linear or sequential thinking, as they prioritize the relations between ideas over their order or hierarchy. Mind maps are great, but they're just the tip of the brainstorming iceberg. Ready to supercharge your brainstorming? Let's dive into the world of structured brainstorming techniques. Instead of a free-for-all idea generation, imagine a well-orchestrated symphony of thoughts. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? Now, let's introduce two such techniques, Scamper and 6 thinking hats. Scamper is an acronym for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and rearrange. This method involves asking 7 different types of questions about an existing product or process to spark new ideas. On the other hand, 6 thinking hats is a role-playing model developed by Edward de Bono. Each hat represents a different perspective, encouraging participants to think in diverse ways. There's the white hat for facts and information, the red hat for feelings and intuition, the black hat for critical judgment, the yellow hat for optimism, the green hat for creativity, and the blue hat for control. These tools provide a clear framework for brainstorming, making the process more systematic and productive. They help break down complex problems, encourage diverse viewpoints, and stimulate innovative thinking. But here's the best part. These techniques aren't just for business tycoons or creative geniuses. They're tools anyone can use to unlock their creativity. Whether you're a teacher, a student, an artist, or a scientist, structured brainstorming can help you generate fresh and exciting ideas. So, why not give it a try? Remember, the key to a successful brainstorming session is to keep an open mind and never be afraid to think outside the box. Imagine walking into your next brainstorming session armed with this new arsenal of techniques. Picture yourself confidently navigating through the creative process, your mind bursting with innovative ideas. Let's take a moment to consider the potential benefits of implementing these techniques. Increased productivity, for one, is a clear advantage. Maximizing the use of time and resources, you're able to generate more ideas in less time. Next, we have the improved idea generation. By breaking free from conventional thought patterns, you're able to explore new perspectives and come up with unique solutions. Then there's the enhanced team collaboration. With everyone actively participating and contributing, brainstorming becomes a truly collaborative process. Lastly, it's about making the brainstorming process more enjoyable. By introducing new methods and making the process interactive, brainstorming becomes less of a chore and more of an exciting journey of discovery. Who knew such simple techniques could revolutionize your brainstorming sessions? Now that you're armed with these techniques, it's time to put them into action. Don't hesitate to test them out in your next brainstorming session. Remember, it's perfectly fine to mix and match, to tweak and refine until you find what works best for you. Practice makes perfect, after all. So, take the leap, experiment with these methods, and watch your brainstorming sessions transform before your eyes. Ready to transform your brainstorming sessions? The power is in your hands.